love going double platinum on the UK chat. Stop! What? What? Why are you all lined up here? What's going on? This is an intervention. Oh, come on. What did I do? You have a problem. You keep talking like you went platinum on the UK charts. That isn't true. I went double platinum. Oh my god. Look. You're clearly battling some demons. And I don't know if that's due to an incompetent rider or something of that nature. Well, I'm just saying we're here for you, and we're here to give you some help. Look, you know I went double platinum on the UK charts. Huh, that certainly solved our problems. Yeah, I guess it did. Quick. Can't bring me down, can you? Oh, give it a rest, fat controller. The f did you just call me? Oh, damn it, it's your life. Hey, you legally changed your name to that. Wait, really? Wait, you don't remember? Well... And you're sure you want to legally change your name to Fat Controller? Yeah, sure, yeah, it's a great idea, excellent idea. Has the change happened yet? I don't know, I want double platinum on the UK chats. Maybe I have a slight problem. Oh, do you now? Maybe. I can't be too sure though. What the hell? Where's the camera? Ah, there it is. Ow. Well, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Look, I'm double platinum. I went double platinum on UK charts. That's all you need to know. You need help. Okay, yeah, fine. I'll get help. Help from the bottle. Wait up. That actually looks pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie.